My name is Maddie and welcome to our virtual story time from the Children's Museum, Houston. Today we will be reading an English book sponsored by Phillips 66. Today's story is called Ghosts in the House, written by Kazuno Kohara. Once there was a girl who went to live in a big old house at the edge of town. It was a splendid place, but there was one problem. The house was haunted. But the girl wasn't just a girl. She was a witch. She knew how to catch ghosts. How lovely, she said. I hope there are some more. And there were. She continued until she had caught all the ghosts in the house. Then she went to the kitchen and she put them all in the washing machine. When they were clean, she hung them out on the clothesline. It was a fine weather for drying. After drying, most of them became nice curtains. One of them made a very good tablecloth. They were all very useful. The little witch began to feel very tired after her hard work. She knew just what to do with the last two ghosts. And they all lived happily ever after. The end. Thank you for joining us for virtual story time, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.